Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add username in your Telegram. First of all, you have to open the Telegram application in your mobile. And after opening, you will see here there's a three lines will be visible on the top left corner. And you can see on the top there's my name. Tap there and here we could see my account, my username, my bio options. So I'm simply going to teach you how to add it. So write your name as however you like and create a username here. So you could see this link is already taken, so we have to try some other options, so like this. And here it says it's available, so on the top right corner there's a click option, select that. And here we could see guys, we just added username in our Telegram. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for upcoming uploads.